welcome to day 10 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I am so excited that you're here. My name is Chris O'Neill, and thank you for coming back and seeing this unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. So yesterday we got that wonderful pillow project, and I worked at it, guys, okay? I got it all set up and ready to go, and I didn't get it quite finished. It is a lot. I think there's 154 buttons. I'll have to double check, but I think that's what it is. There were enough buttons in our jar to make this and the right sizes. Originally I was going to go to my antique button jar and pull them all out and get the right sizes, but then when I realized they were all in this little guy, the gift we got, I was like, yeah, no, I'm not going to go through and fuss with all the different sizes. These were already done for me. And if you do decide to make this, one tip I have for you is to organize those buttons. I have an ice cube tray that I just labeled with the colors, because this is all color coded, and how many buttons I needed for that color. So that helped a ton, because I could just take that right to my chair as I'm sewing these on. Hopefully I'll be able to get it done this weekend. I'm much faster on my machine, obviously, than doing hand sewing. So this has been a lot for me, and it just didn't get done. But stay tuned. Hopefully within the next few days it will be, because it is really cute. I am loving it. I am so glad we got that button jar now. See what happens? Guess that's the way it is. So this kit, or this gift from yesterday, included the pencil fabric, which it was a half yard, and it was the Essex linen, the pattern, and the template. And I'm going to value that all at $19. So that brings our grand total up to $110, and we haven't even opened day 10 yet. So we're doing great. Couldn't be happier with this box. So let's move on to day 10 with this little guy. There were a few guesses in the comments, which was great. One was a needle minder. I think somebody else said maybe those thimbles. Somebody else said a seam ripper or something. So let's open it up and see. Wow, this one is stuck on there. Okay. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Needles, probably to help with the buttons, right? These are quilting needles. John James, beautiful. And then a needle threader. This is one of my absolute favorite needle threaders. Hang on, I'll be right back. See, I already have one. Actually, I have a few of these. These are great. Oh, I'm so excited to have more. This is one of my favorite things. I buy these in bulk because its little nose does bend a little. You can see his little nose on his hummingbird nose bends. And what you do is you put your needle on here and then your thread over it. And there's a little notch that catches that thread, and then you just pull your needle. These are great. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. This was a really wonderful one. Okay, so let's move on to the 12 days of Quiltmas. I hope you're following along. Tonight, one of my good friends, Donna, from Handmade with Ying with Donna. Her video is tonight. I cannot wait. I hope you watched Fallon's yesterday too. I can't even tell you how awesome this group has been and how awesome this experience has been. I hope you're following along. If you missed any of the videos, you can go back to see them all. I'll put a playlist at the end of this video, so you can just click on that and see all the videos that have aired so far. And we do have 2 more after this. So excited too about that. It's been so much fun. Okay, so let's take a peek, or guess, not a peek, a guess at 11. Okay. So some of my stickers are open. I swear I didn't look at this, you guys. I swear. All right. There's something fabric in here, fabric-y. It's quite a big piece of fabric, if it is fabric. Might be a zipper. I don't know. But then there's this thing down here that's round. It's like, it feels like, ooh, you know what? It feels like 2 spools of Aurifil thread stuck together at the bottom. I don't think that's what it is, but maybe it is thread. It moves a little bit. I hope I don't break it. Okay, well, I will be opening this tomorrow, and we will see what's inside. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you again tomorrow, and I hope you have a great day and take some time to sew. Bye.